See, the next point is a debugging. Next point is a debugging. The process of detecting and correcting errors that is process of detecting and correcting errors that is mistake in the program is known as debugging. The process of detecting and correcting errors in the program is known as debugging. There is a program called a debugger that takes object program as input and executes it and helps in eliminating the mistake that are occurred in the source program. There is a program called debugger that takes object program as input and executes it and helps in eliminating the mistake that are occurred in the source program. The term debug is coined after detecting a real bug in Markov, an electromechanical computer 1945 by Admiral Gregor. C removed the bug from the machines and wrote in a record book. The Markov was debugged today. See, there are three types of errors. There are three types of errors generally. First one is a syntax errors, second one is a logical errors, third one is a runtime errors. See, syntax errors. The types of errors are the results of violation of program. The types of errors are the results of violation of program. Rules of programming language. Rules of programming language. On encounter of these errors, computer display errors message specifying the line number. It is easy to debug these error. It is easy to debug these error. For example, the syntax of assignment statement in C is. For example, the syntax of assignment statement in C is. See, syntax variable is equal to expression semicolon. Variable is equal to expression semicolon. In the above statement is typed without the semicolon. In the above statement is typed without the semicolon at the end. Then there will be an error because of missing semicolon. Then there will be an error because of missing semicolon. See, the second one is a logical error. Second one is a logical error. Logical error occurs during coding process when the programmer codes his problem. Logical errors occur during coding process when the programmer codes his problem. He must take care of correct operations to be performed. He must take care of correct operation to be performed. The program will be executed but produce some unwanted result. The program will be executed but produce some unwanted result. It is very difficult to debug such errors because the computer does not display them. Because the computer does not display them, we can eliminate such errors by tracing it and running for sample data. It can be checked by inserting print statement in an appropriate location in the program or with the help of debugger. Then see, the third one is a runtime error. Runtime errors. These errors occur when we attempt to run an ambiguous instruction. These errors occur when we attempt to run an ambiguous instruction. For example, an infinite loop in program sequence which causes no output. An infinite loop in program sequence which causes no output. These are also occur due to device errors. These are also occur due to device errors, improper sequencing of constructs, error in the system software, key punch errors, incorrect data input, etc. See, these are also occur due to device errors, improper sequence of construct, errors in system software, key punch errors, incorrect data input, etc.